Did you have your bath, your breakfast? Okay. Today I am going to teach you on the topic water. Water, please spell the word water. 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 Water is in transparent color. Which color? Transparent. It does not have any color. But water is very important and precious in our life because we will see it in the next slide. You should not waste water. It is important because if we waste our water, we will not get water in huge amount, in huge quantity. That's why you should use limited water, and whenever it is used, that much only you have to use it. Means please don't keep your taps on. If it is in use, then only you have to keep your taps on. So please save water. Rain. We get water from rain. 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 Spell RAIN. Rain. When it is raining. In July, it is the rainy season. Right. So after raining, in various places the water gets stored. So let's check those places where the water gets stored. Well, many of you have seen in your villages the well. Did you see well in your villages? Okay, your grandmother or your auntie or your mummy might be filling water from the well. When it rains, the water gets stored in well. Pond. Even when it gets rained, when it is raining, water is also stored in pond. It is a small pond. Can you see the picture? Okay. River. River is not a storage place, but it is flowing every day 24 hours. When it rains, it also gets filled with water. Ocean. Ocean is very huge, and when it rains, it also increases its level. You can see in ocean ships, boat, submarine. Lake. When it rains, even the lake fills with water. Hand pump. Hand pump is like a storage, like a bore well. You have seen in villages, hand pump is mostly found in villages. So, here the water is already stored, and how much only we need, we have to hand pump it. Can you see here hand pump? Okay. So now let's see uses of water. Where the water is used. Drinking. Oh, that girl is drinking the water. You drink water daily, right? You should drink 8 to 9 glasses of water daily. Drinking. We drink water. Bathing. When we get bath, we also use water, right? Okay. Cooking. When your mummy make any sabji or something other, mummy puts little water in it. So in cooking also water is required. Okay. Planting trees. Even water is required for plants because how we eat food, even plants, food is water. So we should plant trees every day. Check some spellings. Well. 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 Spell WELL. Pond. 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 Repeat. POND. Pond. River. 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 Ocean. O C E A N. Ocean. Repeat. O C E A N. Ocean. Lake. L A K E. Lake. Hand palm. H A N D P U M P. Hand palm. Repeat with me. H A N D P U M P. Drinking. Spell with me. Drinking. D R I N K I N G. Drinking. Drinking. Bathing. B A T H I N G. Bathing. Cooking. C O O K I N G. Cooking. Planting trees. P L A N T I N G. Planting trees. T R E E S. Repeat with me. Planting trees. P L A N T I N G. T R E E S. Planting trees. So, thank you.